step client prospecting method. You'll be able to get access to unlimited potential clients in not one niche, but for a total of 5 red-hot offline niches, and they will literally beg to pay you $3,000 a pop for your 7 minutes of work. Let me show you live how you can get everything done for your clients using a revolutionary toolkit in just 7 minutes and collect your checks. Tool 1. Creating stunning local business websites and lightning-fast mobile sites using a top-notch Ancillary WordPress theme. Installing our theme is extremely simple. The process goes like this. Go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, Upload Theme, Browse, then look for the files you got from us. There you will see 2 themes. The graffiti one, the world's #1 WordPress business framework, and the main theme, the Ancillary. They both work together. Now double-click the graffiti one and click the Install Now button. You now repeat the same thing with the Ancillary theme. Go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, Upload Theme, Browse, double-click the Ancillary one. Click the Install Now button, and then click the Activate button. Here's the last thing. Grab the license key we provide.